Flowchart.
Hey Fiona, what is this?
This is a flowchart.
What is a flowchart?
A flowchart is a pictorial representation of the steps to perform a particular task.
What are the uses of a flowchart?
A flowchart is used to describe the sequence of steps for solving a problem before writing a computer program.
Why do we have boxes of different shapes here?
Boxes of various shapes are used in the flowchart depending on the type of action they perform.
Fiona, will you show me how to draw a flowchart?
Certainly, Andy. Let us draw a flowchart to find the average and product of three numbers. Let us draw an oval box and write start in it.
Why are you drawing this arrow?
Andy, arrows are used to connect the different boxes of a flowchart. The arrows indicate the sequence of the steps.
Okay.
To write the input, we use the parallelogram box because it shows the input or output of a flowchart. Let us write our input, read X, Y, Z within this box. Now, to write the process of our problem, we will use the rectangular box because it shows the process or action of the problem. Let us write average equals to X plus Y plus Z divided by 3 and product equals to X multiplied by Y multiplied by Z. Andy, which box is used to write the output of our problem?
I think we use the parallelogram box.
You're absolutely correct. We use the parallelogram box to write the output. Let us write print average product. To end the program, we use the oval box.
Fiona, didn't we type start in this box?
Andy, we did. We use this box to show both the start and end of a flowchart. Look, your flowchart is ready.
Thanks, Fiona, for showing me how to draw a flowchart.
You're welcome, Andy.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.